KooBits Science is built to solve these challenges. We place a high emphasis on engaging our young learners. How do we do that? Let's take a look. Similar to KooBits Math, science comes with all the most loved features. Daily Challenge in Science has been designed to help kids improve their memory of science concepts, keywords, and reinforce their misconceptions. Our system allocates 5 questions every day. By practicing daily, kids get a consistent exposure to key concepts and keywords. This consistency helps them retain knowledge in the long run. In math, breadth and quantity of practice is key to success. That's why KooBits Math has 10 questions a day. In science, the same level of exposure and consistency can be achieved with just 5 questions a day. It also helps to motivate kids and keep learning bite-sized. Similar to KooBits Math, Mission covers all the topics in the science curriculum. It is arranged in a systematic manner and broken down by key skills for every topic. Just like in math, each skill comes with several exam-style practice questions and an animated video to teach the concept. These videos helps kids to better visualize abstract science concepts and guide them meticulously in answering questions so that they can be better prepared for exams. Especially for concepts that teachers may not have the time to cover in details in the classroom. These resources can help kids to revise and learn any time of the week with just a tablet or computer. You also have access to all levels from primary 3 to 6, making revision or learning ahead easier. Let me show you an example. Animals, a favorite topic of many P3 learners. It's fun! I love this topic too. Besides the facts and concepts, we also design our display to teach essential data analytical skills such as reading flowcharts, tables and graphs in an interactive manner. KooClass is designed to help your child remember and retain information that's crucial for exam, keywords and misconceptions, and to express science concepts in proper scientific terminology. In KooClass, our bite-sized video lessons help to zoom in on specific misconceptions and question types. Through beautiful interactive visuals, students can remember key facts easily. This is especially helpful in exams when students are tested on these facts. And of course, the fun part, story science and brain games. Just like math, story science is built to introduce science concepts in a more fun way, where kids learn through storytelling. Similarly, we have built whole sets of brain games that subconsciously reinforce the working of science concepts even while they play. How cool is that? Similar to math, we recommend 20 minutes of learning a day. Use Daily Challenge to build a consistent habit. Familiarize your child to basic but important science concepts and terms. For a deeper learning of specific topic, use Mission to revise or learn ahead. Explore our KooClass to extend your knowledge of scientific concepts beyond what is taught in class. And wrap the day with story science or brain games or both. Have fun exploring KooBits Science. If you have any queries or any feedback, welcome to connect with us.